So we start off today's video with this vase design DIY. So she punctured a hole in that. Oh, she's turning it into a lamp. Wow. And she added this thick braid to the lamp shade. Oh, this is gonna be really cool. Very unique piece. Wow. Oh, this is amazing. So cool. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at viral DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have a DIY by one of my favorite creators, mcgowan DIY. Now he is actually doing more DIY projects, so I'm very excited to check them out. So here he is at the dollar store. He does a lot of dollar store DIYs, by the way, so we already saw what he's going to be making, some type of vase with this. And he makes it always look like all his projects always look so easy. Like, okay, yeah, I can do this. Look at that. Wow, that is just so cool. Very talented man. I believe he does have a YouTube channel too, so, check him out if you want. So this next DIY involves some kind of napkin. Oh, maybe they might be making like baskets with this design. Yeah, it looks like some type of hanging basket, maybe. Cute, nice and simple. Can't believe that's out of a napkin though. That's kind of crazy. Think about it. Oh, I like this mint green color. I really like to see mint green paired with like wood, like natural wood colors. I just think it looks so pretty. Just really makes a statement. Now it looks like, I'm gonna guess right now that she's making some type of like shelf or something. So if you are new to this channel, I like to kind of guess what the person is making before I see it. Terracotta effect spray. That's pretty. I didn't even know there was such a thing. They just keep coming up with cool stuff. Oh, is this for like her plants or something? So I guess it's not a shelf. Oh, wow. I've seen this on Amazon. I can't believe she made her own. That is so cute. That was a really clever design. So she's doing like the speckled effect. That's really pretty. It kind of created like a marble effect to it, if you ask me. I have no idea what she's making. So she has a hanger here. She's using that as like legs or something. Wow. That is genius. I don't know how some of these people come up with these ideas. Like, I would never look at a hanger and be like, that could totally be a pot, like a planter pot. Like, that is just insane to me. That is so cute. So this is a candle. I guess she's making like a print design on here. Or these like herbs or something, and they're supposed to let out an aroma when you lit it. I don't know. I'm guessing that's what it is. So we have a piece of wood here. Some old Pringle cans. Pringles. So she cut them the same size, and then she's putting some rope around it. Now this is a beginner-friendly project, it looks like. And she's adding some leather pieces. Nice accent. That really elevated the whole look, honestly. Oh, maybe she's making a shelf. I think everyone's making a shelf. At least in this video. Okay, those are way too short to be a shelf, so that must not be what she's doing. Oh, that's cute. So she made little like planter pots and then has like the little accent for the shelf. That's cute. Very nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY project ideas with me and seeing my reactions. If you did, please be sure to give this a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.